here are some details about the clock. I used I created this 3D printed holder for all the stuff that's in it. I've got a little Arduino Wi-Fi board, not using the Wi-Fi in it. And then I ordered a set of 5 stepper motors and stepper motor controllers off of Amazon. And then a limit switch that there's a cam in the wheel that clicks on this, so it registers what the position of the display is. And so the way I put this together is I route all this stuff. Kind of a pain. Got all these wires labeled so that I can hook them up later. Okay. And I run these through. I 3D printed a holder in the back that registers with the original RC servo motor position. So I'll pull the wires through. At least on the intermediate units, I tapped it for a 440 screw. Okay. And then this I modify from the original model to include a notch for the stepper motor. Fit it all together. And I got to make sure that that micro switch is freed, so I got to hold that. It just kind of presses on there. And not really good for it, but I do rotate a little bit. Then I loosen up these screws on here, and I made it so that I could rock the wheel around to get it so that it has the least amount of interference. I think that's about right. Tighten these down. Okay. And so that's the rightmost digit. I have I'm connecting it to a 9-volt supply. I found out these are 5-volt steppers, but I can run it at up to about 9 volts. They get a little warm, but it seems to work okay with that. And then I've got a 5-volt regulator module I stuck in it to convert the 9 volts down to what the microprocessor needs. And so this all goes together. Feeding all this stuff through is kind of a pain. Be nice if this hole was a little bigger. Through, and then this stuff will end up in the top eventually with the stuff in here too. I made a new hole for that connector to go into, that 5.5 millimeter connector, and fit the whole thing together. And the rest of the units are pretty much the same, and then I wire all the rest of it up.